Hello, well today I think I'm going to have a go at repotting these chili plants. They've got quite big for their little pots at the minute. I might also have a go at these. These are carrots, they've gone a bit spindly. They have been indoors too much really, so I might try potting them out so they can go outdoors. But these are the ones I want to concentrate on really. They originally came from this chili plant, which is now basically dead. We got given it last year as a present from somebody in the school. I repotted it and it promptly virtually seemed to die, so it didn't seem to do too well. But anyway, later on in the year it did produce some flowers and then some seeds. So because I felt so bad about it kind of withering away, we took some of the seeds and I planted the seeds, and that's what we've now got. So those little plants are the children of this plant. So I'm going to try and repot them into slightly bigger pots. Maybe not quite as big as this pot though. I've got various sorts of compost that I can use. This one I just bought from B&Q recently. The John Innes ones, I'm not sure whether potting on compost, would that be the right stuff? Or there's this one, all-purpose peat-free for seedlings, potting on. This one does seem a little bit gritty and black. I've also got homemade compost, but that tends to have quite a lot of weed seeds in it still, so I'll probably use one of these. Oh, I've just noticed that some of these have actually had flowers on, and they're actually now producing little chilies, I think, which is a bit weird because we don't even use chilies. I don't mind them, but my wife absolutely hates anything with chili in it, so we're never actually going to use them, but might be able to give them away. Right, well I read on the South Devon Chili Farms website, which I looked up, that they prefer kind of soil-based composts and decent drainage, so I think this John Innes potting on compost looks like about the right sort of stuff to use, rather than my homemade stuff. That might be why last year's one didn't do very well. So I'm going to try and do as much as I can in this bag to try and make a little bit less mess. And something I just noticed on this one, one of these plants, I had to prop it up with a bit of wire because it seemed to have got eaten by slugs because I left them outside for a little while. And I'm not sure whether it's a sort of protective thing or this is just the way they go, but it got eaten by slugs on the outside of the stem quite a bit and it was falling over. But it seems to have kind of hardened itself up and made itself kind of woody. So I'm not sure if that's protective or if it does that anyway. So I think this pot should be about the right size. Yeah, there's plenty of room in there. Right, let's see. I can put this in and make a hole that it sit in. Okay. Oops, let's get rid of some of these bits at the top. Some rubbish. Okay, let's go upside down. See what the roots are like. Oh, they've gone round and round a little bit. Let's tease them out a tiny bit. Stick them in here. Push that in. All around it. Over the top. There we go. This actually feels quite moist, this compost anyway, so I'm not sure if I'm going to need to water it. But I'll probably put them back indoors a little bit because it'd be a bit of a shock if I put them outside straight away. But there's one done. I'll have a go with the others. There we go. 6 chilies planted up.